Yung practice ni Pacquiao nilalaro lang nilalabas lang yung
There was a time in the middle of his career when Manny Pacquiao was a terrific world-class trying to get
baka mawagtan sila.
Manny Pacquiao
Baka mawagtan sila dyan.
Hindi. Alam ni Pacquiao.
Sige pa.
No who else likes to fight? Margarito.
Isa na nga bukol mo. Laki na nga.
Going 15 to 16 rounds. That's because he wins and fights on 7. So even though he's tired and being beat up pretty much, he trains himself to fight this way. So he's still going to be fighting very strong going down the stretch of his fight. That's his biggest factor, is fighting while he's tired.
Papaganda lang. Alam ni Pacquiao Sabi niya,
from 165-pound man who
kaya ni Pacquiao.
17 pounds in the ring. And speaking of rejection from Margarito,
Yan na.
been a measure of rejection.
Ekis na nga ito. Palagay ko to.
Fighting in spots the way we used to see him.
Malayo ng bakasyon nito.
But he's not breaking Manny Pacquiao up the way he did Miguel Cotto.
Wala na dating yung sintok mo na ganito. Wala na. Wala na.
What an exchange.
Wala na.
What a fight.
Wala na. Babagsak si Margarito. Okay. Sa 10. Malamang ito. Baka yung manager. Manager!